Take a moment to check out the 2018 Ford F-150. With less than 100,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Enjoy a new level of ease and confidence whether at work or play when you're in this F-150. Available features let you customize its hard-working bed, and a unique combination of military-grade aluminum alloy and high-strength steel give you the edge with class-leading towing and payload capabilities. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, fog lamps, power passenger seat, dual zone AC, power driver seat, electronic stability control, heated front seat, trailer hitch, aluminum wheels, seat memory. This F-150 is the sweet spot at the intersection of strong and light. Take it out for a test drive and see for yourself. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.